How to turn on vibration on WhatsApp Business. Are you guys facing issue to turn on vibration on WhatsApp Business application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open app on your mobile device. Once you open the WhatsApp Business application, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this three dot icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, select the last option settings. Once you click on settings, you'll be forwarded to this page. Now just simply tap on notifications. Once you click on notification, you can see multiple options over here. From here, just simply head over to this option vibrate. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can select the option for short, long. If you want the vibration for long period of time, select long option and click on OK. Now again repeat the same process for this option. Go over vibrate and tap on long. That's it guys. That's how you're going to turn on vibration on WhatsApp Business application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.